going on, my people? Welcome back. Today is the first Friday of the month, and as you guys know, what that means for us traders is that it is actually NFP. We currently have about 20 minutes until NFP actually kicks off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a nice little checklist of things you need to do before you actually trade NFP, so you can make the most profits that you can make. But what I do recommend is, if you're unfamiliar with NFP, do not trade it, especially if you're a beginner trader. So what I've done, I've topped up my account with 3,000 euro, and I'm just looking to make a quick buck, maybe a quick 1k or 2k, just to show you the power of, understanding how NFP works and all that good stuff, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hop over towards the whiteboard, give you a nice little checklist of things you need to do before the news releases come out. Then secondly, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hop over towards the charts live, my people, trading NFP, and we'll see how that goes. But one thing I know for sure is we're gonna end up in profits, sick profits, my people. But yeah, stick around to the end of the video, and yeah, just stick around, and I just hope. Right, so now we're gonna hop over towards our NFP checklist, my people. It's basically just two things we need to understand. The very first thing is we actually have to go to a news website. For you, it can be Forex Factory, investing.com. It really doesn't matter what it is. It could even be my FX book, okay? So what we need to understand is that when the news comes out, if it is a positive number for NFP for the US dollar, that means that you should be buying any pair that is USD at the front. So for example, if the figure comes out positive, so let's just say the previous number was 200, okay? Then the news release, the number that came out was 250. This means it is positive for the US dollar. So all you have to do is any pair that has USD coming right in front of it, you should buy. And any pair that has USD coming right on the other side of it, you should sell. So this works very, very well if you're trading with gold, my people. So yeah, make sure you check out the news before the news release actually comes out. And the second thing you actually have to do is just basically have a fair understanding of technical analysis. So basically, with the technical analysis, you have to read market structure and understand what price action is looking like. Then right when the news comes out, wait for your right piece of confirmation, because the markets will be very, very volatile, my people. So yeah, first things first, just check out the news, see what figure comes out. See what figure actually comes out for the US dollar. Then from there, you'll be able to make the right decisions. So before you even enter, you should have a neutral bias. Have a setup for a buy, and then have another setup for a sell. But obviously, use your knowledge to your best advantage for you to pick out which is a high probable setup for you to actually trade the current pair. And the pair we're going to be trading is going to be gold, okay? So yeah, just make sure you understand what the news is. Go to investing.com, go to my FX book, go to Forex Factory, and get the news. So this is the very first step that we have to take into consideration. And the second step that we need to take into consideration is technical analysis. The news side is fundamental. Technical analysis will help you understand price action, market structure, and all of that, my people. Then what you do with step 1 and step 2, you combine them together and make a step 3. And all you have to do is trade, because once you combine the news, it's very, very simple. News plus technical analysis, you will be unbeatable, my people. But yeah, this is literally an NFP checklist that you need to do. 3 simple steps. Check out the news, understand market structure, wait for your confirmation, and then into the trade once you see what you like. Very, very simple. So now we're actually going to hop over to the charts and do some live NFP trading, and hopefully we can actually flip this account, make a quick bag or two. But yeah, this is literally it, my people. Stick around to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed so far, and yeah, let's kill the markets right now. So what is going on, guys? We are trading gold at the moment. NFP has done us nicely. The account was on 3,000. The aim of the game was to actually double the account to 6, but obviously you have to be willing to leave money on the table. Currently we are running 1,200 in profit. What I'm going to do now is just show you the trades here. Everything is been screen recorded. I will add it onto the screen. basically the breakdown of this is very, very simple. Price is heading towards our take profit level, like I said already. And you can see this here, it is actually going towards the wick. This is a beautiful one, it's a 2.8 risk to reward ratio. So what I'm going to do now is close these positions. I'm running 1,300 euro in profit. I am going to go ahead and close these positions for 200, 200, 200 here. Boom. And I'm just gonna let the last one. Now you know what? You have to be happy with everything that happens in the market. Leave money on the table, my people. You have to do it. So boom, closing everything now. Zagadat. We have now, the balance of my account is now 4,200 euro, my people. So for today's NFP, as you can see, it is looking very beautiful. We have made 1,200 trading NFP. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave it at that. Then we're gonna take it away